guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. In today's video I want to show you how to make a very simple breakfast, which within 5 minutes this breakfast is going to be ready. So here I have my bread. You're going to need white bread or brown bread, whichever one you have. I have my cheese. I have 4 eggs. So this is all I'm going to be using on this video, so stay tuned. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you are new in my channel, you are most welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video to help someone. Let's get into the video. So we are going to use 2 first for the first set, then the second set will be 2. So I'll add a little salt. So here I have 2 bread. So we're just going to trim the bread from here. Just cut it off. So I will add a little oil inside my fry pan. So I will add my egg. So you just dip the bread inside your egg first. So just add one of the cheese. So guys, this is the end result of my breakfast. So you can make this within 5 minutes. Your breakfast is ready. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this is helpful. So please drop a comment below. I'm happy to reply to all of your comments. And if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video. Thank you again for watching. And if you are new in my channel, thank you so much and God bless you. Please share this video to help someone. Thank you and bye for now.